Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel again. This is Flame, back with another video for y'all today. And to add on to the previous video that we did, this is just a different angle for the binding edge flow, I believe. Oh no, this is something else. This is actually just, I think, let's see what flow this is, I'm not sure. Oh, I think this is turtle head.
Lower back. Side start. Other head.
Oh!
Yeah, you're good.
Sorry.
Whoa, relax, slow, breathe.
And we didn't get it that time. I want to say this is a move called turtle head, if I'm not mistaken. So another very challenging move as well too, but super fun. Here at our crazy jam sessions, never know what's gonna happen, so we're always constantly keeping an eye out for people as well too, making sure that we're all staying safe. Let's see. Okay, I think I just started and stopped the video, so let's see if we can get it down. I'm pretty sure this is turtle head, if I'm not mistaken. So here to the lower back, back to side star. I actually took a workshop for this one. Oh no, this isn't revolution, is it? Well, oh, okay. I think turtle head is part of revolution, and then we rotate to side star, and then from there I think we. Okay, well, ninja star.
And then let's do the 420 spin real quick.
Okay.
Just so I can have a review.
Okay.
Damn, which one is this? I want to say this is turtle head, but I don't even think that's what it is. Yeah, it is. Except I just don't remember all the moves to it, so. Let's see if we can get it down this time again. Okay, so switch hands. If we're even trying that. I don't think we're trying that one.
One more time.
Okay.
We're going for something different.
Cameras are on.
Oh, it looks like 420.
From like both angles.
Yeah, a little bit of 420.
At different parts.
And then, man, this now 420 is freaking hard, yo. Like, I can only get 420 down with a few flyers, and I haven't cleaned it up well enough, but almost there. Trying to complete that last rotation, and actually on that one I'm going through a separate turn also as well. So let's see what's going on here. Another crazy jam sesh.
But keeping like sorry over time, you don't want to bend. I think you're going to keep that line the whole time that you're rolling around.
Okay. So now we're gonna rotate, sit up. Oh no. Oh, this is Hannah's binding edge again too. Okay, cool. So this was the continuation of that video that I shot. Just a different view of it, which is good. I should probably just edit this. But what I'd like to do in the future, after I am able to get everything situated on this channel, is to just really do some better views and tutorial videos as well. Take more time on editing. Right now I'm trying to figure out a good editing software that I think would be reliable enough. But the binding edge looks really pretty, like especially like when Hannah does when I'm flowing with her through it. But the thing is that just not a lot of flyers know it, so it would probably be me and her trying to teach it. But so I'm thinking about doing a YTT in maybe the next couple of months, and then from there I would like to be able to teach workshops, a little bit harder flows, but then also be able to not necessarily like teach classes, but just workshops, and then maybe do some like one-on-one or not one-on-one, but like couples work, couple private lessons. So like partners that want to learn acro, teaching them a little bit more, and so that way, because honestly I feel like it's like a partner bonding kind of practice as well too. So if I can spread this to other partners out there, I think that they would enjoy it a lot, to be honest. So so I think that that's like ultimately like what we would like to do. So so here we have a move that's like an interesting one at that, but there we go. Like technically she should get her leg up, and then I have to pull back really far. And then I would probably let go of one hand. It's a fun move. I don't have a good picture of it. I should. Now we're just being silly, I think, to be honest. Like, I think we're just being silly now. Okay, here we go again. I'm getting ready for the picture. Almost. I don't know the name of that move, but it's kind of like a pose that we've seen on Instagram and stuff as well too. Out without knowing of a proper way to get out of it, but that was still relevant enough, I guess. So still kind of a good playful practice, you know. Playful practice. That's what we like to do, is keep it playful. Keep it playful. Nothing serious, nothing crazy, okay? Here, and I think we're gonna be doing this kind of like semi-death drop, which is pretty fun. So kind of a semi-death drop kind of move. Nice. So that one's pretty clean. I like that. I've seen people do like dance moves and then go into that. But still a fun kind of death drop, I guess you could call it. Oh wow. Okay. Was gonna go try and get in a yoga class today, but it looks like we have some pretty bad storms coming through. Trying to get rid of this semi-cold that I have, I guess you could say. Just kind of losing my voice, but I think I have to like kind of work through it and get out and move a little bit, you know.
I see it in the mirror. I see the mirror.
But you don't mind can't tell. Save that. No, I don't have any muscle inside. I was like, I can't find his spine.
Acro is so much fun, man. Like we taught a first class, we taught a class for like the first time at a different studio, this past week, and we really only had one new person show up that had like never been a part of the community or acroed before, and dude, they had so much fun. Like, it's just cool, like, to just see people's like faces, like, and just know that they enjoyed the practice and they walked away with a good picture. Like, we put them into bird on feet, like a very simple pose, and they got like so happy, and they were like, oh, let's take a picture, let's take a picture. And it's just a lot of fun, like, seeing those smiles and that happiness and stuff too. So it's good stuff, good stuff. And then here, I think we're gonna go do some flowing here as well. I believe some big Lemoine maybe.
I don't know where it's coming from. I'm so tired.
Excuse me. So I think this is big Lemoine. Toes should be pointed here, but no biggie. Still a really strong flyer. Good stuff. Now with this move, like, flyers' legs have to stay straight the whole time, so that way you can kind of steer them, and the feet kind of act as like levers, so that way and the pivot point would be the hips. So you're kind of steering them with their legs, but using their feet to kind of steer them as well too. So fun move, fun move. So this is big Lemoine. This is one that a lot of our group, our community practices quite a bit, to be honest now, sometimes. Mostly it was like just very basic stuff that we were practicing, but this is one of our newer ones that we like to practice a lot.
Doing it right now.
This is, I mean, I would say this is probably like an intermediate move to like definitely get down and learn. Especially to only use the legs and not use the hands, so and then I think we run through one more after this too. I want to say this was during one of our seasonals, possibly. Here we go. Making our way around. Back again. Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me. Whoa, oh, oh. So yeah, if the knees buckle, it's a little bit harder for them to rotate, just because I can't really steer them if their knees start to bend at all either. So, but overall, good sesh, you know. Fun times, fun times.
Before? Some more forward.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it again. I'm just curious, like what?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm
So I want to say we end up doing like one more move soon here too. Let's see what it is. Nice long hugs, always good for acro. We are a hugging community for sure. Let's see what